right, dancers, we're back with part 2 of your dance. This is the first chorus, which actually repeats every time we do a chorus in the dance. So in this one, I will explain how to do the pullback part of it, but I will not actually be doing it for 2 reasons. One, my floor is incredibly slick here at home, and if I do a pullback on this floor in these tap shoes, I'm going to be busting it. 2, I also have that knee issue still, so jumping is still a little iffy, so I'm trying not to jump if I can help it. So let's talk about a pullback first, and then we'll talk about what the steps actually are. So in a pullback, it's a jump from 2 feet to 2 feet. It has 2 sounds, and when you jump, you're going to jump up. It's like doing 2 spank steps at the same time. So your foot is actually going to hit the floor with a spank, and then you're going to land. But you're doing that with both feet at the same time. Like I said, I'm not going to do it in here because slick, knee, all that good stuff. So we've talked about it in class. Just remember, it's you jump up, you're going to hit the floor, and you land. If I think about it, I'll try to find a video on YouTube that shows it in a good, like in a good example of somebody doing it on a good floor so that you can see it being done well. I'm physically unable to do it today. So that's how you do a pullback. So the dance, we're going to be starting with our left foot because we just did dig, spank, stamp to end out the last 8 count that we did. So we have our left foot free. We go stamp, step, stamp. Then we have stamp, stamp, we pull back, stamp, stamp, we pull back. We repeat that on the left side. Stamp, step, stamp, 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 pull back, stamp, stamp, pull back. I'm marking the pullback for obvious reasons. That is not how you do a pullback. Again, I'll try to post another video with somebody else doing it because I can't do it, and especially in here. So, to repeat that section, we go stamp on 1, and 3, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. 1, and 3, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. So that's your first 2 8 counts of the chorus. Moving on, this is the part that we just changed to make it a little bit easier because it was a very complicated section. So we're making it a little bit easier. This is the Broadway. If you don't remember how to do a Broadway, I've got a video posted that's just the Broadway, how to do it. It goes through it nice and slow, piece by piece. Please use that as much as you need it in order to get that Broadway down so that you understand it. So we have 2 Broadways. It goes brush, touch, heel, heel, spank, heel, tip, heel, brush, touch, heel, heel, spank, heel, tip, heel. From there, we go dig, spank, stamp, dig, spank, stamp, dig, spank, stamp. We hold the count 7. Then on and 8, we're going to take our toes to the left and back. That's on and 8. Then on and 1, it's our heel to the right. And 1. So, count it out, the Broadway, or not the Broadway, the dig, spank, stamp part. Count it out. Goes 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, hold 7 and 8 and 1. So with the Broadway, and then we'll go back and we'll add in the pullback section as well. With the Broadway, it goes and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, hold 7 and 8 and 1. Starting from the pullback, we go 1, a 3, a 5, a 6, a 7, a 8. 1, a 3, a 5, a 6, a 7, a 8. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, and 8 and 1. So hopefully that helps you with the chorus. Again, that repeats every time we do the chorus in the dance. Again, you can go back and you can see the whole thing in context with the music, and I also have the music posted in your portal so you can practice if you want without having the video on, so you can see if you can do it without trying to cheat and watch the video. All right, thank you. Hopefully that helps you.